Come on, you guys. You're supposed to help me look for blue-tongued lizards. Not ever fight. Hey. Hey. No. Mrs. Blue's down there somewhere. Oh yeah, you can just see its little face. Someone's going to stop the blue tongues from getting some sun. Hey. Just trying to get some sun. You startled a lizard. Hey. That's right, walk in front of the camera. What do you think? Yeah. Woo! Lizard and cat meet. What will happen next? Hurry up, Bluey. Birds are stalking you. Oh, don't stick your tongue out at me. Blue-tongued lizards are creatures of habit. You usually find them in the same spot, but this one has really surprised me. I don't normally see him down the bottom of the garden. He's usually out the front near the gate or out in the front yard. Decided to come and hang out here today. You know what they say, Blue? Variety is the spice of life. Or maybe you're just trying to confuse the cats. Hey there, Blue. Very friendly today. This is the second time I've seen you. You just come to say hi. There you are. I've been waiting for you. Always waiting. I got you some cat food. And there's some blueberries there too. So I hope you're going to come up and have a snack because it's pretty hot out here. Come on, there's an ant. Gonna take it. Here you go. Whoa! Can you check him out? Oh, yay! Good on you, Blue. Hey. Blue likes blueberries. You're very privileged. Blue-tongued lizards, or blue-tongued skinks, they only eat bugs and slugs, and maybe vegetables. But you get blueberries. They're expensive, you know. What about some water? Had a hot day. Hot. What do you think? No? You're not thirsty? He's a blueberry connoisseur now. What you gonna do now? Yep. Better eat it all. Don't waste any food. Ooh. Hi. Ooh, you're getting close, aren't you?